Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a drill and a drill bit. So this drill has two functionalities. Can be used as a hammer drill and just as a drill for drilling holes. And so today I'm going to mount these brackets on this onto these the corner of this chair. So the first thing is you unscrew this drill bit. Let's see. So this is a drill bit that I'll use to create a pilot hole for the screw. So you just put it there somewhere there, and then you screw evenly. You tighten it, and then you change the settings from here to use this part. Yes, this, and then there is this other part, this switch, and if you want it to be in clockwise direction or in anti-clockwise, you change it just like that. And this one is, I guess, is for speed, the highest speed, like a volume knob, the highest. Then here is the lowest. So if you use the highest, that's the highest, you can just see it's very high. But if you use the lowest speed, so I'm going now to make a pilot hole here for this part. So you ensure your drill is plugged in the power, and then you make the pilot hole. I think here is okay. This is the part also. So after creating the hole, then there's this screw bit that I'll use now to insert the screws. So you remove the drill bit anti-clockwise direction, then remove it. Then you can now expand then put the screw bit here. Then after that, now you tighten also. Then after tightening, then you now, so let me bring the screw. Okay, so for me, since this board is 18mm board, so I use screws that are a little bit less than 18mm. So these ones are less, I think around 15mm, or around there, 15 to 16 there. So just place it that way, and then you come and so I'm using this is not a cordless drill, it is the one that is corded. See, it's a corded drill, so you have to plug it, so it doesn't have the option for battery. But there are other hand drills that are normally portable that doesn't have to have a cable. You just charge the battery, and then now you can go ahead. That is okay. And this one also. So you can see now it's now strong enough for me. It's good. So I'll also have to drill for this side and to this side. So just remove the take the pilot tool. Then the next pilot tool. And be careful not to drill through up to the other side.